Preston Steiner, teen division. 10 seconds.
This way, JD.
7, 6,
Just
5,
step over it.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, stand up and rip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Go. Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Rip and rip.
Seven, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Rip and rip. Nice and easy. Use your legs. Not all back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go.
Come on, Preston. You got to go. You only got 2 minutes, buddy.
Yep.
Come on.
You got
20 seconds.
left.
3, 4,
Come on, Preston.
5,
Come on. You got another round of deadlifts in you.
6.
Come on, buddy.
7, 8.
Grab that bar. Go. Grab that bar and go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
6.
Done. Deep breaths. In through your nose, out your mouth.
Okay, you got a minute rest here.
You cold, Preston? Take your hat off. Let your head down.
In through your nose, out through your mouth. Bring that heart rate down.
Let's get your barbell set up. Find space for your burpee.
How many rounds do you have? 4?
Yep. You're 25% done.
Come on, Preston. Try to shoot for at least 4 more rounds. Every time. You can do it. You can do it. It's all mental. Just got to keep moving. You got no time to stop.
Really can't pick your fucking bar up and move it.
Yeah, 20 seconds.
You ready to watch those pull-ups?
10 seconds.
Nice steady pace.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Go, Preston. Come on, buddy. Be quick. Come on.
2, 3,
5.
5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Stand.
sorry, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Come on, Preston. Go, buddy. Come on, bud. 2 feet on the ground. 3.
Let's go. 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Keep going. Come on.
Come on, Preston. Snap up there. Push up hard. Come on. Push up hard.
Spring up.
Come on, Preston. Come on, guy.
Come on.
Come on.
Stand up and get a
Double
couple.
deadlift. Let's go. Come on.
5 seconds. Come on.
Come on.
3, 2, 1. Done.
That's it.
Kristen, on your burpee, think snap, okay? Just think snap. It takes a lot less. Use your chest and push. Come on.
So in the standards, as long as their chest and their thigh gets on the ground, they can go over. No.
Yeah, I'm just saying this session. 2 feet every. Oh my. That's how you do the bar. You're 2 feet.
15 seconds.
Just look at it.
I'm just gonna look again. I don't. I think he's okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
Come on, Preston.
Let's go, buddy.
Come on, bud. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There you go, Preston.
Okay. Steady pace.
Come on, guy.
If it's easier to step over like that, just keep stepping over.
Remember to drop that ass in them deadlifts, Preston. Use your butt. Use your legs. Come on.
Yeah, he's going to finish over here.
One more.
8.
8.
There you go.
Come on, let's go. Grip and rip, buddy.
Just
Be-
keep
drop
moving.
that butt. Use your legs. Use your legs too. Come on. There you go.
You get a minute
1,
10.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. You got a minute.
Okay, you gotta go.
You got a minute. You got to go. You got to get back.
Come on, Preston. You gotta go.
2.
Come on.
Come on. Keep going.
Come on, Preston.
Come on.
Come on, bud. You got this. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Get up.
Get your ass
6,
up.
7.
Look at the clock.
Let's go.
One more.
One more.
And then deadlifts. Hurry up. Get up. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Go.
Go. Come on, Preston. Go. Quick.
2, 3, 2, 1. Done.
Minute rest when you get
Last time. Come on. You got one more in you.
It's not bad. I can't burpee either fast. They're not burpees.
Where we at?
My usually thing, I wouldn't get too close to me.
20. Nope.
No. Nope, you're good.
15 seconds.
Come on, Preston. You need to stand up, get to your feet. You need to breathe.
Get up.
Come
Deep
on.
breaths.
You got to get your legs down. Come on,
You
Jaden.
get 3 full rounds in.
Jaden, this has to be
10
your
seconds.
fastest one.
You can't
You gotta
yet.
go
Don't
hard.
touch your
Last
bar.
one.
Don't touch your bar until your time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
Use those legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There you go.
All right.
Come on. Let's go. Come on, Preston.
No jump.
Keep going.
Let's go.
Come on.
1. Let's go. 2. Come on. 4. 5.
7.
7.
One more. Come on.
Come on, Preston. Let's go, bud.
One more in deadlift.
Grab that bar. Let's go. Come on. You got a minute. Come on. Let's go.
We need 3
Come
full
on.
rounds. Go.
Come on. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Ready to get after it?
8.
All right.
All right, let's go.
Come on. Let's go.
Come
Come on.
Come on. Think about kicking your
Come on.
dad's
8
ass.
more push-ups. 2.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, get up.
Come on.
3.
3. Come on. This'll be
4.
4. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on. Go, go,
you
go,
gotta
go. 30 seconds.
Come on, Preston.
5.
Let's go.
6.
6. You need to get 2 more in here and get on the bar.
7.
7. Let's go. Let's go.
Get 1 more and stand up.
Let's go.
Come on.
Get up and grab that bar. Come on. Go. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Done.
7.
Did better in his last round. See ya. Thanks for coming in.